Hello friends, how are you? Let's learn some colors name. Orange color, green color, red color, teal color, pink color, dark blue color, violet color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. E. E for elephant. R. R for rainbow. Y. Y for yak. B. B for books. M. M for monkey. P. P for pencil. V. V for van. G. G for goat. I. I for iron. U. U for unicorn. X. X for X-ray. A. A for animals. L. L for lychee. T. T for trees. W. W for window. D. D for duck. H. H for horse. N. N for nails. F. F for fish. K. K for kite. O. O for olive. C. C for coffee. J. J for jelly. S. S for sheep. Q. Q for quilt. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye-bye. Hello kids. Let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, pink color, sky blue color, red color, violet color, green color, dark blue color, orange color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A. A for avocado. B. B for butterfly. C. C for candy. D. D for door. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kids. L. L for lotus. Let's try to count some numbers. Number 1. O-N-E 1. Number 2. T-W-O, 2. Number 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Number 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Number 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Number 6, S-I-X, 6. Number 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Number 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Number 9, N-I-N-E, 9. Number 10, T-E-N, 10. Number 11, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Number 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. A for avocado. B for birds. C for candy. D for door. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kids. L for lotus. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello kids. Let's learn some colors name. Red color, yellow color, purple color, pink color, violet color, light green color, black color, dark blue color, brown color. Let's try to learn some alphabets and numbers. M, N, O, P. M for moon. N for nurse. O for ox. P for princess. Q for queen. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. R for ring. S for shop. T for tiger. U for university. V for violin. Number 18. Number 19. Number 20. Number 21. Number 22. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.